Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today let's do some different type of pictures using vegetables and the fruits. Here using tomato, I'm just doing the butterfly. So let's move on. Here I'm using a watermelon and then just cutting the top layer of the watermelon, leaving the green layer, and then just join them and segregate them by line. Here's a beautiful watermelon picture. So let's move on. I'm taking and doing a butterfly with a vegetable. So I'm just slicing them with very thin layer and then making a shape of feathers. So then using the green, I'm just cutting them and making the body of the butterfly, and then the mustache has been drawn. Using a apple, I'm just sticking the feathers and the tail. So let's move on. So using a pumpkin, I'm removing the top layer of the pumpkin and then cut the pumpkin. Slowly then remove the green layer of the pumpkin and then cut them with tiny pieces. Slowly it's been cut. So here we are gonna make a worm. So just segregate them with line by line. So here's a beautiful worm. So let's make a butterfly using a pineapple. So here a pineapple has been made using a pumpkin. So the green layer and the bottom layer is being segregated and just separate them. Here's a beautiful butterfly. So let's move on. So using a watermelon, I'm just cutting them and then taking the green watermelon layer, and again I'm just taking the green layer. Slowly it's been taken and then let's cut them. So here is a beautiful tree shape and the leaf shape. So in the cards we usually find the shapes, right? It is that shape. So let's move on. So here I'm making a chair using a vegetable. So first a bottom layer is been and the vegetable is been and the chair is been done. So using a cucumber, let's cut them and then make it into a heart. So here's a beautiful heart that has been made. So let's move on. So using again a cucumber, let's make a different kind of leaves. So here a leaf is being done. So they have cut into tiny pieces and the leaf shape is being done. Same way segregate them. So here's a beautiful leaf. So same way, taking a cucumber, just cut them into halves and then tinily cut them with and then join them. Same way as follows to the another half of the cucumber and join the two cucumbers. So here's a beautiful